Oh, do da day, la do da la.
All right, y'all. I'm here at Wally World. I am. Seriously. See, I'm at Wally World. I am. I'm really at Wally World. I'm here. But do y'all want to know how you really fit in at Walmart? Let me show you just a second. Yee-haw! I'm a redneck hillbilly with no teeth. I'm going up into Walmart, y'all. Woo! Come on now. Y'all gotta admit, that was funny. I don't care who you are. That was funny. All right, y'all. All jokes aside, it's time to come in here, get me some groceries, get Thor some cat food, get me something to eat, something besides microwavable chili. I need some chicken salad. I need some ice cream because I'm out of ice cream. Yeah, I need something, y'all. Something to eat here during the week. So anyway, let's get on in here and let's get our food, y'all. Dun 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 doo da doo da dun 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 dun. Oh, doo da day. Woohoo! All right, y'all. Asked the guy who was walking out to Walmart, make sure wear a mask. He said no, and I'm like, sweet. Oh, it smells good in here, y'all. Absolutely smells good. Ooh, they got chickens. So let's come on in here. Let's go for the oil for the truck first. Got to have the oil. Of course, y'all, I had to get one of them, shopping carts. Don't listen to it. I just had to get one of them, didn't I? Man, I hate these kind of carts. Yeah. All right, y'all, we're gonna get some Velcro strips for my pre-pass because it's coming off the windshield. So we're gonna get some Velcro, and since that's white, my pre-pass is white, instead of the two black strips I have in the windshield holding the white pre-pass, it'll be white and white, so I think that'll be better. Still haven't quite found the pipe cleaners and all this craft stuff, but wifey says it's here, so let's keep looking for it. All right, y'all, this is what he keeps playing with right here. Fuzzy sticks, a 25 pack of the green, but I mean, come on, look at this. We have neon colors, so when he loses them, they will be easier to find in the truck. I mean, come on. Then you've got these color fuzzy sticks. I mean, these will be much easier to find when he goes to lose them, instead of a dark freaking green that's hard to find in the truck, blends in. These will be so much easier. Wow, this is cool, y'all. So we found it. All right, y'all, we're going with the multicolored fuzzy sticks because, I mean, there's 25 in there. So I cut them in half. That's actually 100 or 50 of them that I'll have. So for $1.47, so this will work. This is good enough. $1.47 for 50 basically. So that's cool. All right, y'all, we gotta get that truck oil. You know what I'm saying? We must have the truck oil. Doo-da, doo-da. And down here she is. Alright y'all, I usually use mobile Delvac, but since I won the shell rotella contest, I'm going to start switching and going back to using shell. I used to use shell, but it was more expensive. And if you look at the price, you got $12.32 a gallon as opposed to $13.97, so $1.65 a gallon more. So I switched to mobile Delvac, but we're gonna go back to shell because under the cap they're supposed to be the shell rotella miles, so we're gonna start doing that and going back and patronizing shell rotella oil. So that's what came in the truck. That's what I used to use all the time, but I'll be honest, the mobile Delvac oil jug was a better jug to relieve yourself with after you use the jug and the oil's out. You know, every trucker has to use the bathroom when he stops somewhere overnight and in the middle of nowhere and no bathroom facility, so the wide mouth on the mobile Delvac oil was a lot better than the little tiny one. The shell rotella, so I switched, but I'm gonna go back. We're gonna go back and start using shell rotella again, y'all. So one of them little hidden secrets, you know. Whoopsie. Now you must have the Lucas. Oh my gosh, boy, they're proud of the Lucas here. It's $27.97. Unless it's gone up, because at mine it was $25.96, so it's $2 more a gallon here. But I need to have it. It helps with fuel mileage, so I guess we're gonna get it. We gotta have it, y'all. All right, y'all, and I don't know if y'all watch Clutch Trucker's channel, but he is in Cheyenne. He's working on a project extending his sleeper for a bed and remodeling the inside, and he's calling for snow. So I better go ahead and get the de-icer windshield fluid and start putting that in there just in case, because I guess snow is coming. So yeah, better break down and get that. I mean, I'm sorry. When you look at active ingredients and this stuff and Rain-X stuff, might as well, because I actually put Rain-X booster and stuff already in my stuff, windshield washer fluid, so no need in getting that. So yeah. So why pay the extra $1.60, $1.59 a gallon more? Yeah, $1.59 a gallon more for the Rain-X as opposed to that. So yes, save money. Think, look at it, look at prices, look at active ingredients and stuff. And if the only difference is the Rain-X and you already have Rain-X booster and stuff in your windshield washer fluid that you pour in there, then why worry about it? Right. Dear Lord, did we have like a run on cat food here? Holy shibit. I can't believe this, y'all. Look at the cat food section here. Where is all the cat food? Wow. Like we said, y'all, food shortages are coming. Shortages are coming. You can see all these container ships sitting out there off the freaking coast, y'all. It's coming. Be prepared. Be prepared. Y'all, I can already see Thor getting pissed off. He's used to the chunk stuff, and here's 12 cans of pate. He's gonna be like, what is this bull mess? He's like, this is insane. Wow. He's gonna be like, this pate is some BS. But if you look at this stuff, okay, because I normally get him all this stuff with the chunks with the gravy, but if you look at each one, they're 11 cents an ounce or 60 cents a can. But yet when you buy it by the bigger packs, it's only 8.3 cents a can. I'm one who shops by, you know, price point. I always believe in looking at price point. And I'm not gonna pay the extra for, you know, 11 cents for that. So he's just gonna have to get used to trying some pate at the moment. Wow. All right, y'all, I found one, 9 lives. It's not what he's used to, but it is better than that pate bowl mess. Got the hearty cuts with white real fish gravy and gravy and gravy, so it is the ones with gravy, but it's 9 lives. So it's better but it was all the way back there. All right, y'all, there's Mean Greenway out there, dirty as can be, but it rained again yesterday, and if y'all look at the sky, 70% chance of rain today, so no reason to even try to wash the truck. But I was bad, y'all. I did get me some fried chicken from here to put in the fridge. I can eat on during the week because they had no chicken salad at all. And I did break down and get dessert, y'all. Donuts. I've got to have donuts, y'all. Got to have some kind of snack to snack on while I'm on reset. So I did break down and get donuts. I did. But look how dirty that truck is. Man, that truck is awful. But it is what it is, y'all. That's what happens when you're running through rain every day for 6 freaking days. And it ain't gonna be much better today. Anyway, y'all, we're here. We got a whole buggy full of groceries to put up. As y'all see, I got me some Lucas. I got some oil, got some zero temp. I got me some microwavable mac and cheeses. Lots of freaking tuna crackers, chicken salad and crackers, kitty food. And I did find me some, there's my fried chicken to put in the fridge. I can eat on during the week. Stick in Ziploc bags, break it up. And I did find me some ice cream. Got some applesauce. And of course my processed stuff. Microwavable Swedish meatballs, spaghetti, and beef mac and cheese. So yeah, not very nutritious, is it? But what do you expect? I'm a redneck from Georgia. Anyway, y'all. Oh, bug, I woke him up. Him's gonna have to move. Look, he's got that drunk face. Drunk face, nose bop, boom. Anyway, bud, you have to move, son. I gotta get in and put groceries up. Anyway, y'all. Peace out.
Even when you feel low, you can still go. Even when you feel slow, you can still go. Even when there's no hope, you can still go. I never answer to no, man, I still go. Go, 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 yeah, go, go, go. Hustle hard, hustle every single day. I'll be making moves till I'm buried in my grave. To the system, I don't wanna be a slave. I've been doing shit my way, or the highway. And in the driveway is a nice range. Cause I grind through the climb, I invite pain. You'll never hear me, bitch, nah, I don't complain. Just gotta flip the switch and you can go and obtain anything you want, anything you need. Your mind's got the key ingredient, it's belief. They deceive with the negativity, but I just slide right by that energy. Even when you feel low, you can still go. Even when you feel slow, you can still go. Even when there's no hope, you can still go. I never answer to no, man, I still go. Go, 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 go.